All right. What is your favorite language and why?
Okay, my favorite language is my national language,
Hmm.
that's Urdu.
Yeah.
And why I like it very much because of, first of thing, this is my national language, and my I learned all my from my childhood. I read the books from
Since my
since my
childhood,
childhood
I have been reading books in this
in
language.
this language. And as far as culture is concerned, maximum things are written in this language. And
Okay.
whenever I come and in different places, then it easy to read and write. I think so. All these things. That's why I like it very much.
Okay. Would you like to learn any other language in the future and why?
Uh, yes, I would like to learn, especially as far as English is concerned.
As far
As
as.
far as English is concerned, I'm not very well about in communication. I'm not fluently speaker in this
I'm not a fluent speaker.
fluent speaker. That's why I would like to learn this language.
Okay. What is the toughest part of learning a language?
I think so. Toughest part is to practice. First of all, we have to give some time to in each and every aspects. Whenever you have to learn new things, that you have to give some time. That's why I think so. That practice is a lot of matter a lot for these things.
Okay. What is the most popular language in your country?
In my country, as discussed with you, in my country, most popular language is Urdu, the national language, and the reason behind is that all communications all communications mode are available in this language. That's why I think so. This is very popular language.
Okay, that's good. Keep it up. Good job.
Thank you.
Next one, please. Okay, how important are friends to you?
Sorry, can you
How
repeat?
important are friends to you?
Friends are very important in my life, as friends are the only company I can keep outside the family. As there is a very famous saying, friends are the family you can choose. So friends are, yeah, to answer your question, yes, friends are really important to
Okay,
me.
do you prefer to have few friends or many friends?
Um, I like to have a limited number of friends, as I am not a very social person. But I always wanted to socialize and have a limited communication with everyone.
Okay, I want to, not wanted to. Let's go on. What do you do when you meet your friends?
Whenever I hang out with my friends, I sometimes go out to a party or an amusement park, or sometimes I tend to have a social gathering or an activity with them.
Okay, overall good, but conclude your answer in the end. Okay, let's go on. What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week is Sunday because I am jobless and other days busy in this. And Sunday is my off day. So my favorite days is the Sunday.
Okay, don't say jobless. You say I have nothing to do on that day.
Uh,
All right, let's go on. What do you do on weekend?
I I can do I will
Yes.
a lot of time can spend the time for my family
With
uh,
my family.
with my family and friends and some other activities.
Okay. All right. Let's go on. Which day is your least favorite day?
My the Monday is the least my favorite
Why?
day because there has some more activities in these days.
Answers are short and you're repeating the same things again and again. You need to come up with some reasons, and
Yeah.
at least they should be 5 to 6 sentences. You're making 1 to 2 sentences,
Yes.
and the language which I'm giving you in the question, you're using the same language in your answer. You're
Yes.
not expanding on that.
Yes.
Try to expand the language, okay? All right, let's go on. Do you like the rain?
Yeah, of course, I love rain. Whenever it's rainy weather, it's like romantic, and you do like coffee and like some kind of sort of things. I would prefer to go out with my friends in a restaurant where we can drink like coffee or tea. So
Okay.
yeah, I love tea.
Does it rain a lot in your hometown?
Yeah, in Lahore there are a lot of rain,
In
so
Lahore, it rains a lot.
it rains a lot. So yeah, I love it. And
Answer is short. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good. Okay, you need to elaborate further. Let's
okay.
go on. What is your favorite snack during the
Uh,
rain, or when it rains? What do you like to eat?
Yeah, I love to eat like Lay's and like potato. Uh,
Potato. Okay, you eat
yeah,
potato.
yes, like that. And I love to do coffee as well in the raining season.
Okay, you need to expand your answer and organize your answer. Same potato, coffee, you can say in a different way. For example, whenever it rains, I always prefer to eat French fries because they are my most favorite. And after eating French fries, I go for a hot cup of coffee. So whenever it rains, I enjoy the rain with some French fries and coffee. Proper answer. Okay? All right, one last question. Do you like winter rain or summer rain?
Uh, I love winter, so that's why I love winter rain. Whenever you like, you wear jackets and more clothes, and you go out. So that's why I love.
Whenever you wear jacket, you go
Yeah.
out. These sentences are not well coordinated. So ideas should be organized. Okay? You
Okay.
need to work harder with that. Next one, please. Okay. What do you do when you have an off day?
Uh, uh, well, whenever I get an off day, so I will, I will feel like to go somewhere with my
I
family.
prefer to go
I
somewhere, or
prefer to
I
go.
feel like going somewhere. I feel like going.
I feel like going with my family. So we organize to go somewhere in a trip. So I will prefer to go with my family to go somewhere.
Okay, all right. What do you do during summer holidays?
In summer holidays, me and my family, we would like to go to northern area of Pakistan because in summer it's very hot in Pakistan, in my city as well. So I prefer to go to northern side and enjoy my holidays over there.
Okay, do you prefer to spend your holidays alone or with your friends or family?
I prefer to spend my holidays with my family
Why?
because my family is valuable for me and my kids they are very attached to me and my wife and prefer to go with my family.
Okay, overall good, keep it up, but try to answer every question in detail. And if examiner says why, then you need to add a couple of sentences. And if examiner interrupts you, that's normal. Okay, good.